Affiliate marketing in a nutshell.
What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the single fastest growth industry on the internet. It's also true that affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and most creative ways to make money and have a career on the internet. Simply put, affiliate marketing is selling products on a commission basis. You own a business that advertises and sells products for other companies. You may have a product of your own to begin with or not. The things that a successful affiliate marketer must have are: 1. Your website is the jumping-off point of all your marketing efforts. So the first step in any successful affiliate marketing business is building a good, credible, and professional-looking website. You must build a user-friendly website, which will attract your prospects and motivate them to click on the links to the products and services you are promoting and make a purchase. There are companies whose business is building websites that you can hire to build one for you. 2. You must find products to sell. You must be able to determine whether there is a demand for those products and if people will actually buy them. You may either have your own original product or products that are made by others. Whichever way you go, you must believe in the products. 3. It will be necessary for you to become an adept advertiser and be able to tell whether the advertising you are paying for is producing more income for you than the advertising is costing you. For it is necessary that you have good mathematical skills. You will need to be able to track your sales and determine profit, as well as see to it that your suppliers are paid in full and on time. 5. You need the full and unwavering support of your family so that you can devote the time and energy necessary to launch your affiliate marketing business.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.